Now lastly, construct a triangle if its base, difference of the remaining two sides and the difference between the base angles are given. For this, take the fourth example of exercise 7.3. 4. Draw triangle PQR in which QR is equal to 5 centimeters, PR minus PQ is equal to 2.5 centimeters and angle Q minus angle R is equal to 52 degrees. Analysis. Let us draw the rough figure of triangle PQR. PR minus PQ is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Therefore, PR is greater than PQ. So we can locate point S on PR such that PQ is equal to PS. PR minus PQ is equal to PR minus PS is equal to RS is equal to 2.5 centimeters. PQ is equal to PS. Therefore, angle PQS is congruent to angle PSQ. Let angle PQS is equal to angle PSQ is equal to X. But angle Q minus angle R is equal to 52 degrees. Therefore, angle R is equal to angle Q minus 52 degrees. Angle SQR is equal to angle PQR minus X. Angle PSQ is exterior angle of triangle QSR. Therefore, angle PSQ is equal to angle SQR plus angle QRS. X is equal to angle PQR minus X plus angle PQR minus 52 degrees. Therefore, X plus X is equal to angle PQR plus angle PQR minus 52 degrees. Therefore, 2x is equal to 2 angle PQR minus 52 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to angle PQR minus 26 degrees dividing by 2. As PQ is equal to PS, P lies on the perpendicular bisector of QS. Hence, triangle PQR is the required triangle. Let us see the steps of construction. Hint: after drawing the base QR of 5 cm length, take measure angle Q as half of measure angle Q minus angle R, that is, half of 52 degrees, which is equal to 26 degrees. First draw segment QR of length 5 cm. Take measure angle Q as half of measure angle Q minus measure angle R, which is given as 52 degrees. Thus, measure angle Q is equal to 26 degrees. Take Q as center and draw a ray QX such that measure angle RQX is equal to 26 degrees. Take R as center and taking radius 2.5 centimeters, because it is given that PR minus PQ is equal to 2.5 centimeters, draw an arc intersecting ray QX at S. Join RS and produce RT, that is, draw ray ST extending from RS. Draw perpendicular bisector of segment QS by taking Q and S as centers. With more than half length of QS, draw intersecting arcs above and below segment QS. Mark the point of intersection of this perpendicular bisector of the ray RT as point P. Join PQ. We have constructed the required triangle PQR. Now let us solve a few important construction examples from the problem set 7. Let us draw the fourth construction. 4. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm and center O. Take any point P on the circle, draw perpendicular to segment OP at point P. Let us see the steps of construction. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters with center O. Take any point P on the circle. Draw radius OP and extend it to X. Take P as center. Draw arcs on both sides of P such that it intersects ray OX in points A and B. Now take A as center and more than half length of AB as radius. Draw arcs above and below segment AB. Then take B as center and with same radius draw arcs intersecting the previous arcs at points M and N. Draw line MN to intersect ray OP at point P. Hence, line MN is perpendicular to segment OP at point P. 5. Draw triangle BAD such that AD is equal to 5.7 centimeters. Measure angle BAD is equal to 120 degrees and AB is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Draw segment BM perpendicular to line AD. Let us see the steps of construction. Draw segment AD of length 5.7 centimeters. Take A as center. Draw ray AY such that measure angle DAY is equal to 120 degrees. Take A as center. Draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeters on ray AY. Let this be point B. Join points B and D. Now extend ray DA and take point X on it. Then take B as center. Draw two arcs intersecting line XD in 2 points L and P. Assume P and L as centers and with radius more than half length PL, draw two intersecting arcs below segment XD. Make this point of intersection of arcs as C. Draw ray BC intersecting XD at point M. We can see that ray BM is perpendicular to line XD, that is, line AD. 6. Perimeter of triangle ABC is 14 centimeters. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeters and angle A is equal to 80 degrees. Construct triangle ABC. Hint: here A is one of the base angles. One of the side of triangle ABC is given. So from perimeter given, we can subtract the length of this side to get the sum of the two remaining sides. Just by reading perimeter word, do not draw the perimeter type figure of triangle ABC. Analysis. Let us draw a rough figure of triangle ABC. Perimeter, that is, sum of the length of the all three sides, is 14 centimeters. Therefore, AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 14. By substituting the value of AB, we get, therefore, 4.5 plus BC plus AC is equal to 14. Therefore, BC plus AC is equal to 14 minus 4.5. Therefore, BC plus AC is equal to 9.5 centimeters. Triangle ABC with AB is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Angle A is equal to 80 degrees. BC plus AC is equal to AE is equal to 9.5 centimeters. Locate point C on segment AD such that A-C-E by drawing perpendicular bisector of segment BE. Therefore, we get CB is equal to CE by perpendicular bisector theorem. CA plus CB is equal to CA plus CE is equal to 9.5 centimeters. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. Let us see the steps of construction. Draw segment AB of length 4.5 centimeters. Draw ray AD such that angle DAB is equal to 80 degrees. Take A as center and radius 9.5 centimeters. Draw an arc which cuts ray AD at point E. Join points E, B. Now draw perpendicular bisector of segment EB. Take E as center and with radius as more than half length of EB, draw two arcs to the left and right of segment EB. Similarly, with B as center and same radius, draw two arcs intersecting the previous arcs. Draw a line passing through their points of intersection. This is the perpendicular bisector of segment EB. Mark the point of intersection of this bisector on ray AD as point C. Join CB. We have constructed the required triangle ABC.